ngayong Huwebes, isang cheerful langga mula Cebu ang makakasama naman natin. Nandito si Pinoy Big Brother Gen 11 second big placer, Rain Salmar. Rain!
Hello!
Hello!
It's raining rain!
Dito ka sa gitna.
Hello po!
Welcome to TV Patrol.
Thank you so much.
Tangkad naman ng batang ito. So yun,
Congratulations!
Yes, thank you po.
Second big placer, graduated ka na rin, grabe. Tapos may yung ilo-launch ka mamaya. Pero isa-isa muna, kamusta? Life outside?
the house.
The house?
Outside. It's been great po. I've been living the life of my dreams right now, and I'm glad, and I feel so blessed. I'm just thankful for the supporters that I have. Yeah.
Dahil talagang na-ano mo na siya, na-imbibe mo na yung energy outside after PBB.
I mean, it's always adjustment talaga kasi parang lumabas ako biglang wow, parang
May mga tao pa. Parang ka nag-quarantine.
Oo, talaga.
And then, welcome back to the real world.
Thank you.
So yun, Rain, kasama ka sa I1 series na Love at First Spike ka. So kumusta yung acting experience mo? Is that something new to you?
The acting experience was my first series po talaga, this one. And I'm excited po kasi it was fun po sa set, and I know the series is gonna be fun as well, kaya watch out you guys, watch out nyo.
Are you a volleyball player?
I used to play in school before, pero I was bata pa. So, but there, you're gonna watch me play na naman.
Like totoo, you're no
May mga
double.
attacks.
I'm a setter there.
Bagay for the height.
Yes,
Bagay for the height.
definitely. So yun, may launch ka ring album. So anong klaseng mga kanta ang pwedeng abangan ng iyong mga fans dito?
Okay. So, my album launch is coming up talaga. It's on May 30 po sa Skydome. Ang maririnig niyo pong songs, literal kasi like, it's almost all the genres na talaga. Almost all. Almost lang naman.
Almost.
But like,
Bakit hindi na all?
kasi crazy na yun eh. So, almost lang. Almost all. So, good afternoon, reindeers and everyone. I'm excited to be inviting you all to my album launch and fan meet on May 30 at the SM North Skydome. I heard that the tickets are running out, so you know what to do na, guys. Buy your tickets online at SM Tickets Outlets. See you all there, reindeers, and be ready to be loved. Wow!
You're gonna be giving so much love. May favorite genre ka ba?
Sa EP ko po or
Yeah.
in general?
I think general EP na you wanna keep going. Both.
Confused siya.
R&B or like the ballad, parang gano'n.
So see you sa Skydome.
See you sa Sky.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Rain. Pero alam ko na hindi pa tapos ang iyong role dito sa TV Patrol Express dahil ikaw ang maghahatid ng ating maiinit na entertainment news ngayong hapon. Go ahead.
Alright. Ang latest na showbiz sa ating Star Patrol Express. Nangunguna sa trending YouTube videos for music ang performance video ng BINI sa kanilang kantang Zero Pressure. Mahigit 1 million views na ngayon ang video. Tampok ang electrifying dance steps ng Nation's girl group. Gawa ito nina Renan at KitKat na sikat na choreographers ng K-pop groups gaya ng Idol at XG. Sakto rin ang paglabas ng performance video sa pagsisimula ng BINIverse World Tour sa Dubai. Bahagi ang Zero Pressure ng BINIverse EP na nirelease noong February. Nag-organisa ng isang viewing party si award-winning Pinay actress Dolly De Leon para sa kanyang latest Hollywood project na 9 Perfect Strangers. Sama-samang pinanood ng kanyang mga taga-suporta at kaibigang artista ang pagganap ni Dolly bilang madre na si Sister Agnes. Kwento ni Dolly, nakipag-usap pa siya sa isang kaibigang madre at psychiatrist para matiyak na tama niyang magagampanan ang kanyang karakter. Excited na rin siyang mapanood ng lahat ang Netflix series na Avatar The Last Airbender, kung saan gagampanan niya ang kambal na tagapayo ni Princess Azula at Nina Lo at Lee.
I'm so proud to be a part of that community, and marami na akong nakilalang mga Pinoy doon na sobrang napaka-supportive. I come into this with so much pride and hoping that it will open more doors.
At yan ang ating Star Patrol Express sa araw na ito.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Na-pressure ka ba?
Slight lang, but wala na. Zero pressure.
Zero pressure ba? Sabi nga ng BINI, zero pressure.
Yes.
Kayang-kaya mong sayawin?
Hindi.
Baka naman hindi na siya bumalik kapag in the spot.
Ako pa may kasalanan.
Oo, dahil sa mo ako ng mga TV Patrol Express.
Alright.
But thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having
Thank you, Rain.
so much.
We hope you had fun.
I had fun. That was great.
Great.
Bukas ulit.
Bukas daw
Bukas daw
ulit.
ulit, Bane.
Bukas balik.
At yan ang mga nagbabagang balita. Huwag pong kalimutan mag-LSSC, like, share, subscribe, and comment sa YouTube at TikTok. Sa ngalan ng aming kasamang si Jeff Canoy, ako po si Rafael Bosano.
Mga kapamilya, bukod sa YouTube at TikTok, napapanood na rin live ang TV Patrol Express sa ABS-CBN News Channel, Kapamilya Channel, A to Z, Jeepney TV at OTV. Siya po si Rain Salmar at ako naman si Denise Densay. Maraming salamat at magandang hapon, kapamilya.